Hi students, today we will study forced oscillation, chapter 3rd. In previous class, we already studied undamped oscillation and damped oscillation. Chapter 1st, undamped oscillation. In undamped oscillation, amplitude of oscillator remains constant. For example, clock having pendulum, दोलकाचं घड्याळ. The amplitude of oscillation remains constant in undamped oscillation. In second chapter, we see damped oscillation. In damped oscillation, amplitude of oscillations decreases exponentially with time. For example, simple pendulum. In simple pendulum, when it oscillates, the amplitude of oscillation decreases as time increases. Now, we will start chapter 3rd, forced oscillation. In forced oscillator, the amplitude of oscillation or oscillations are continued by applying external periodic force. Oscillations which are maintained on account of external periodic force are called as forced oscillations. External periodic force, that is called as a driver, and the system is called as a driven body. When frequency of driving force coincide with the natural frequency of oscillatory system, then oscillator shows maximum response. Means energy of oscillator becomes maximum. Such oscillations are called resonant oscillation and phenomenon is called as resonance. Differential equation of forced oscillation. Consider a system oscillating about its mean position under the action of external force. The force acting upon a system at any instant are first, restoring force, second, damping force, and third is external periodic force. First, restoring force acting upon a body. That force is proportional to displacement. F proportional to x. X is displacement from equilibrium position and F is restoring force. Then F is equal to minus kx. Negative sign shows that force and displacement are oppositely directed. K is force constant. X is displacement from its mean position. Equation number first. Second force, damping force. Damping force responsible for damping oscillation, which is F proportional to dx by dt. Damping force proportional to velocity. F is equal to minus r dx by dt, where r is coefficient of damping and dx by dt is velocity. This is second force. Consider as equation number 2. Now, third force, external periodic force. F is equal to F0 sin qt, equation number 3. F0 is the amplitude of force. Q is angular frequency of external periodic force. When system oscillating about its mean position under the action of external force, the forces acting upon a system, there are three forces. First is restoring force, second is damping force, and third is external periodic force. Thus, the total force acting on a system is F is equal to minus kx, this is restoring force, minus r dx by dt, this is damping force, plus F0 sin qt external periodic force. This is total force. Consider equation number 4. Due to all forces, system ultimately comes in motion according to Newton's second law of motion. We know that the equation F is equal to ma, that is equal to m into d2x by dt square, equation number 5. From equation 4 and 5, we have m into d2x by dt square is equal to minus kx minus r dx by dt plus f0 sin qt. Rearranging this term, then we get m into d2x by dt square plus r into dx by dt plus kx is equal to f0 sin qt, considered as equation number 6. This equation is differential equation for forced oscillator. This equation is second order linear and inhomogeneous differential equation.